Hello everyone, I would like to welcome you to another African art unboxing from Senegal, Africa. I have something today, it's interesting, from my friend that I have in Africa. The first time he sent a package, it took 10 days. And this time it took 7, and I don't know if it's because this package was so big and they just said, the post office just said, let's just get this one out of here soon, or what. But I gotta show you what came in the mail today. Can you see this box? You see how big this is? So I have 3 very tightly packed African pieces in here. So I'm going to go out in the garage and open this up. I've already been warned that it's going to take a little time to get this out. So I'm going to work on that, and then I will come right back and show you what I got. Right back. Okay, I am back. It took me probably a half hour to cut the box and get everything out. And thing was packed very neatly, so I'm going to show you what I got. Oh, this right here. Can you see that? This is a hornbill. I have, this is my 3rd hornbill, but this is the largest one that I have. From Mali. This came packed very, very well from Senegal, Africa. And my friend said I would love it, and he was absolutely correct. This is something to see. It's beautiful. If I understand correctly, when they make this, it's carved out of a solid piece of wood. So I'm sure the hours, the days that it takes to make something like this, but I love it. I love it. This here. And it also has the same metal on the back. It's actually really cool going along the back of the wings. About 50 pounds. So this is the largest I believe I can ship from Africa, going the way that we've been going. But this is absolutely beautiful. Now, it was also packed with 2 other items, and I'll show you that and I'll conclude the video. These 2 right here, these 2, this is a Chihuahua. This is probably my 5th or 6th Chihuahua. This is the male, this is the female here with the baby on the back. This is a headdress, and they do various spiritual dances with this on their heads. So I hope that you can see these. They are very, very, very cool. Very, very cool. So people ask me, you know, when I get these items from Africa, what do I do? You know, first of all, they're old, and they're very fragile, and I do a solvent wipe to clean them, and a little bit of Lysol, and that's it. I mean, they're in great condition. So I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing of my hornbill and my 2 Chihuahuas. So believe it or not, I got one other item coming in that's pretty cool. So if I get some time, I'll probably do an unboxing for that. So have a great day, and thanks again.